In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosave passwords in Google Chrome without asking. Let's start from the very beginning so you understand what this actually means. By default, Chrome can offer to save your passwords when you log into websites. Usually, you'll see a little prompt asking if you want Chrome to save the password. What we're going to do is adjust Chrome's settings so that it saves passwords automatically, without showing that prompt every time. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, since the layout and options are easier to manage there. Once Chrome is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. You should see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main menu button. Click on those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Look for the one related to autofill or passwords. Depending on your version of Chrome, it might be labeled as autofill, then Password Manager, or simply Passwords. Click on the Passwords or Password Manager option. This is where Chrome keeps everything related to saved logins and how it handles them. Take a moment to look around this page so you're familiar with it. You'll usually see a section for saved passwords, and above that, a few switches that control how Chrome behaves. Now, find the setting that says something like, Offer to save passwords. When this is turned on, Chrome will ask you each time whether you want to save a new password. To move toward auto-saving without asking, you'll want to disable that prompt and instead rely on Chrome's built-in password manager behavior. Some versions of Chrome may not show a simple always save without asking toggle, but the key idea is to keep password saving enabled while reducing interruptions. If you see additional options like sign in automatically or auto sign in, turn those on. This allows Chrome to not only remember your passwords but also log you in automatically on sites where it's safe to do so. Before you finish, quickly review your existing saved passwords to make sure everything looks correct. Remember, anyone with access to your device could use these saved logins, so it's important to protect your computer with a strong system password. And, ideally, use a sync account secured with 2-factor authentication. Once you've adjusted these settings, Chrome will handle passwords more smoothly, reducing prompts and helping you sign in faster while still keeping your information stored securely in its password manager.